Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today with all of you to talk about how at Microsoft we've built a successful global affiliate program in partnership with Rakuten. It's not an easy challenge for big companies as Microsoft, working with big companies as well as Rakuten. We got to orchestrate the whole motion to make sure we are in the right path to deliver success to our customers. No. Forget about it. So I'm super excited, as I said, and we will start with Microsoft mission. So at Microsoft, our mission, which acts as a North Star for everything we do, is to empower every person and every organization in the planet to achieve more. The mission touches every business line that we work with, from B2B to B2C, to Azure, to Surface, to Office, to Windows. Everything we do, this is our North Star. This is a big mission for us. We are a company that not only touches Redmond and Seattle, but we touches and impact the whole world. So making sure the North Star is clear to everyone around us, all of our employees, all of our partners, it's key for us for success. I will start introducing myself so you can get to know me really quick. So my name is Juan Zabisky. I'm the US affiliate marketing lead for Microsoft. I'm from Brazil. I'm now living in the US, so that's why I couldn't connect any music to my presentation. Otherwise, I would have to use Brazilian country music. I don't think it would work really well here. We can try next time. So I'm passionate about technology. I'm an early adopter. Everything that is out in the market, I like to try. So, and the same way I do for affiliates, I do for everything else that I want to work and touch. So devices, advertising, industry, computers, everything. It's just technology all around. I recently moved from Brazil to the US to take the lead at US affiliate program. I was before that leading the Latin American program as well as the Canadian program, and always working with Rakuten along the journey. I'm here today representing our Microsoft affiliate team, a dynamic and passionate group of people spread across the globe, driving innovation and impact to the industry, to our customers, to sales, to products, and everything else we touch on. I'd like to start by giving you guys a quick summary on who we are and where we are. So we have more than 20 affiliate managers across the globe from more than 18 nationalities, speaking more than 14 languages, and all of the members in the team are tech lovers and passionate about affiliate. Everything we do, we try to bring innovation and we try to push our impact and the industry forward, as well as help our partners that are also helping us to do great things. What we've done here today is we've created a list of things that we apply on our daily routine, which empower us and all of our industry to get where we want. And I'll share with all of you guys what are these steps and what we do, so maybe we can all learn from that experience. So the first thing that we did when we were starting this motion to create a global affiliate program was to define what was success for us. Otherwise, the whole team would be pushing the boat to different sides, and that's not what we want. So we wanted to create an efficient, scalable, and impactful affiliate program, and we needed a big partner to do that with us. And that's what we found in Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten is with us in many regions across the globe, from US, Canada, Latin America, Australia, and many others, helping us to scale the program, make sure we are efficient, and we are driving our customers to where we need them to be. The second step that we noticed that it's a huge impactful player on our daily routine, it's make sure our communication is efficient. Between the team and the partners, we always try to bring the best of clarity in everything we're doing. If we're not clear on where we want to go and how we want to get there, we will likely not get there. So when we are in meetings, when we are brainstorming with our partners, we make sure they understand the real value that we want to bring to the table, what we're trying to achieve, what's our challenge. and we are as transparent as possible when doing so. The third step, which is really important, we like to plan, but we also like to execute. One thing that we've been always cautious about is that if we just keep planning, we won't get to where we need to. If we just keep executing, we will never know where we're getting to. So we try to balance both motions at the same time with dynamic, so we can get where we need fast, as well as with the scale that we need to drive across the globe. The other one, which is really important, I assume for everyone here, but for us as Microsoft and in the Microsoft affiliate team as well, it's to be persistent. It's not always simple for us to explain what's affiliate. Microsoft is a huge company. We have so many stakeholders to work with. Sometimes we try to bring new partners to the industry that might not been operating as an affiliate partner. We always be persistent. We try to make the path as good as possible to everyone with us with persistency. The other challenge that we try to apply on our everyday routine is to listen. Of course, to our customers, but also to our partners, also to our internal and external stakeholders, and to everything that is happening in the whole world and in the industry. For big companies or small companies, we all have our challenges, so it's pretty easy for us to get distracted with our daily routines, creating a PowerPoint slide, getting ready for a meeting, and we're not always with our ears open to understand what's happening outside of our room. So that's something that we do, and that's something that we challenge ourselves every day and in every opportunity. So any movement that we do, we're constantly bringing insights from external partners, external competitors, what they're doing, how we can learn from what they're doing, and make sure we'll bring the best of our game. The other motion, which is key for us, and is the last one before we deep dive on that, it's to drive innovation. If we don't get that word in every opportunity that we have, we will likely be forgetting with time that we need to keep growing our program, understanding what's the best way to do partnership, taking our affiliate program to the next level, helping our partners to get to the next level, and challenge ourselves to be better every day. Nowadays, innovation is not a trendy word. It was a long time ago when it was. It should be on every conversation that we have with any partner. With Rakuten, we're constantly challenging ourselves to bring innovation to the table besides any challenge that we might face along the way. So we're constantly reminding ourselves that we need to break any challenge that we face, and Rakuten has been a good partner along this journey with us. So an important question mark that comes on this last pillar is, so how we innovate? It's not easy. Every time we want to do something, we need to align with a bunch of teams. We need to make sure our technical piece is ready, and then we have a bunch of meetings, but still, we are persistent to make it happen, and we have an awesome partner with us. Rakuten has been integrated on every routine that we have at Microsoft, every meeting cadence. We meet frequently, and they also meet with other stakeholders at Microsoft to make sure they understand holistically what are our challenges, our goals, and where we want to get. So this is an important piece, and I've tried to summarize how we do at Microsoft, so maybe we both can learn from this keynote. The first thing that we do, and it's on our everyday conversations, is to test and learn. We are really to do different stuff. We know it might expose us to risk. We map the risk as much as possible. We never want the customer to feel any impact for any pilot or test that we're doing. But more important than that, we're willing to learn. Rakuten is also aware of that mindset. So whenever they're bringing innovation opportunities for us, we try to extract from that. What's the impact in the business and what we can learn from? How we're going to take that to our customers and make their experience better. The other bubble is to make sure we're breaking barriers. Either internally or externally, we're moving forward and exploding walls. They will show up along the way. It's not easy. We have done affiliate one-on-one sessions with stakeholders to make sure they understand our industry, they understand our challenge, so we can get to where we need to. This bubble is a trending bubble, but not everyone is willing to face that with the open arms that they should. So failing for us, it's really part of the process. And at Microsoft, within the Microsoft affiliate team, we will never try to stop from failing. We keep trying new things every day, and we keep making mistakes. Things not always work out as we were planning to. And the same goes with the pilots that we do with our partners. What we try to extract from fail, it's what we learned and how we can share what we've learned with other teams at Microsoft or with other partners from similar scenarios, so we all can learn and make sure we'll fail again, but we'll fail differently. We won't make the same mistake twice. This bubble is important, and as a big tech company, we are there. So using data, it's not always simple. At Microsoft, the volume of transactions, the volume of data that we have, sometimes it's hard for us to use data because it's too big for us within the affiliate team to handle that alone. And that's where Rakuten is challenging us, and we are challenging Rakuten back as well to get it right. So we want to keep digging into our data, understand what we can learn, and make sure we're moving forward with those learnings to keep getting our program into the next level. The other bubble, it's for us, of course, to think outside the circle. We have done so many different things within our affiliate program at Microsoft. I'll give you guys a few examples in a second. We've been literally challenging ourselves to create a new motion within the affiliate industry. We don't want to simply track clicks, track conversion, and pay commissions, or to do flat fees, or to create a campaign and measure. We want to go beyond that, do real different stuff. And that's where we get to the results. We have done a few things that I want to highlight to you guys, so maybe that will open up our heads to the opportunities that the affiliate landscape can bring to the table. We have done Microsoft Flagship store tour in New York, where we took a few of our most valuable partners to experience our brand end-to-end into a VIP tour at our flagship store in the 5th Avenue in New York. We have done Surface product review in Japan, where the Japan team on our affiliate program they get products, they give the products away to a few content partners, and these partners can experience this product from a specific time frame, so they are really able to build a solid content and generate sales for us from a real review of the product. We have done tests with premium commissions. We have done reporting evolutions because we need to own our data. We have done Rakuten expansion. We've launched a Rakuten partnership in Latin America. It's huge. We are helping Rakuten, and Rakuten is helping us to land in Latin America at the same time. It's a complex region. It's not as developed as US, as Canada, as EMEA. So we are there. We are doing influencer pilots. We are learning out of this. We are doing fraud prevention. As a big brand with a big e-commerce, of course, we can be targeted with fraud. We're doing team expansion. We keep growing. We keep learning out of this. We are trying to evolve how we do recruitment so we can really scale out our reach as a solid brand. We're evolving our tracking method, and we're doing so many other things: content strategy, events sponsorship, and way much more. All of that with one goal: to deliver the best experience to our customers. This is the only goal that we have on everything that we do. We have great products, we have a great experience, an awesome brand behind us, but if we're not aiming to deliver the best experience to our customers, and if we don't have the right partners to do so, we won't get there. Rakuten is helping us to scale out our program, and since then, we've been onboarding new and innovative affiliate partners and publishers into our network, and that has been unique for us. From all of that, we've learned one important lesson. And that's the takeaway that I would like to leave from this conversation that we're having today. No one can do it alone. That's unique. This slide previously had the logos of all of our partners. But of course, for image rights, we not always can display them on big keynotes. But partners, I want you guys to feel that this thank you is to all of you. We wouldn't be able to take our global affiliate program, which generates millions of revenues for Microsoft every month, every day, without you guys. Thank you so much for being willing to drive innovation and looking forward for more to come. Thank you very much.